Hello friends, welcome to my channel How To. In this video, I am going to explain how to create Google Forms or how to use Google Forms. As we know that Google Forms are used to create customer feedback surveys, job application, order forms. Basically, it is used to collect the information. So let's start how to create Google Form. First of all, open your browser. Then search for Google Forms. So from the search results, click on the first link. Here you can see the option Go to Google Forms. So click on Go to Google Forms. Then sign in into the Google account using your credentials. So in this way, we are signing into our Google account. So after login, you will get such interface. Here you can see the blank option. So to create a new Google form, click on this plus icon. So this is the empty Google form. So to create a Google form, here you can see the untitled form. Here you can give the name of your form. For example, I am going to create a Google form which collects some personal information of users. So let's give some suitable name such as personal information. After that, at the below, you can see the form description. So here you can also give your form description. After that, here at the top, you can see the preview icon. So if you click on the preview icon, here you can see the preview of your form. So let's create the form, and side by side, the preview is also visible for us. So go to your Google form. Now in my Google form, first of all, I want to add some fields. So click on this untitled question. Now I want the name of the user. So type name. So at your right hand side, you can see the option multiple choice. So click on multiple choice. Here various options are available. Then select short answer. And if you go to the preview, let's reload this page. And here you can see the name, and user can type the name here. Now let's go to the Google form and add a next field. So to add a new question or new section, here you can see the plus icon. So click on the plus icon to add a question. So new section will be added. Now I want to accept the gender of the user. So type gender here. Once you type gender, here at the bottom you can see the suggestions. I want to add male, female, and other. So in gender, there are three options are available: male, female, and other. So if you go to the preview of the form, here you can see the gender. There will be three options will be available: male, female, and other. So user can select the gender as per his choice. Again, go to the Google form. Let's add the next option or next question. So to add a new question, again click on the plus option. Now I want to add the address of the user. So type address here. Now click on this multiple choice option. Here you can see the short answer or paragraph. So I am selecting it as a paragraph, so user can add more number of lines to it. So in this way, we have added three fields to Google form: name, gender, and address. Similarly, let's add the next field. So click on the plus icon. Now type here date of birth. I want to accept or collect the date of birth of the user. And once you type on the date of birth, here automatically the date option is selected. So user will select the date from the calendar. So if you go to the preview of the form, reload the page, and here you can see the Google form, name, gender, address, and date of birth. So if you click on the calendar, from this calendar, user can select the date of birth. So in this way, we have added the field date of birth. Now let's go to the form. Let's add the next field. So to add a next field or question, click on the plus icon. Type here mobile number. So it will be short answer or only one line field. So in this way, you can add the multiple fields to the form. Now, if you go to the preview of the form and if you reload the page, here you can see the form which contains the fields such as name, gender, address, date of birth, and mobile number. So you can collect this information from the user. So user will fill this information and click on submit. So let's try with some example or sample data. So I'm typing name as a Sam, selecting gender as a male, then giving the address as a London, then select a date of birth from the calendar. Now enter the mobile number of the user. So if you click on the submit, here you can see the response has been recorded. So if you go to the Google form, in the response, here you can see the response tab. So click on the responses tab. And here you can see the data we have collected. So in this way, we can create a Google form. So here we can also give the name to the Google form. So if you go back, here you can see the recent form. So click on recent form. So in this way, we have created Google form. So in this way, we can create a Google form which collects the personal information of the user or customer. So that's all. Thanks for watching my video. If you are new to my channel, please subscribe my channel How To. Thanks a lot.